This is Coryell's class. Today we just finished multiplying decimals, lesson 4 from chapter 1. Can you multiply decimals?
Yes.
Where, class, do decimals live on a number line?
Between 0 and 1.
So between 0 and 1. Here we have an example of it right there, right?
Yes.
Are decimals bigger than 1, smaller than 1, or less than 1?
Less than 1.
Less than 1. So they're not even a full thing, right?
Yes.
Pencils should be down. I see pencils up. They're not even a full thing. They're part of a thing, right?
Yes.
Part of one whole thing, yes?
Yes.
All right. When you multiply decimals, is it any different than multiplying integers?
No. Yes.
Does the work here, because there's no decimal in that problem, right? But there is a decimal in this problem, right?
Yes.
Does the work look pretty much the exact same?
Yes.
Yeah, we have a carrying number here, we have a carrying number here, right? So the work looks the exact same. The only thing different is this problem has a decimal point, right?
Yes.
So if the problem has a decimal, the answer is probably going to have a decimal too, yeah?
Yes.
So we do all the work. You guys know how to multiply. You guys know how to use your multipliers, cross off carrying numbers, and all that fun stuff, right? The only difference is the end. How many numbers are after the decimal point in 29?
0.
Well, there is no numbers after the decimal point, right?
Yes.
The decimal point is technically right there, and there's nothing after it, yes? How many numbers are after the decimal point in 1 and 8/10?
1.
So if there's one total number after the decimal point in my entire problem, how many numbers should be after the decimal point in my answer?
1.
Say that again.
1.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
How many numbers are after the decimal point in this number?
0.
How many numbers are after the decimal point in this number?
2.
So in my final answer, which is boxed right here, how many numbers are after the decimal point?
2.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Just a real quick review. How many multipliers do you see on number 5?
2.
Say again.
2.
So how many rows of numbers should I be adding together if there's 2 multipliers?
2.
2 rows of numbers, right?
Yes.
We're good with this?
Yes.
If a problem is written going across your paper, what must we do?
Rewrite.
Hey, I need eyes up here. I need eyes up here. We must rewrite this problem, yes?
Yes.
How many digits are in 76/100ths?
2.
How many digits are in 2 4/10ths?
2.
So if there's 2 digits and 2 digits, does it matter which one goes on the top or the bottom?
No.
No. But this problem, how many digits do we have in this number?
3.
How many digits do we have in this number?
2.
So which number goes on the top? The one with more digits or the one with less digits?
More.
The one with more or the one with less?
More.
The one with more digits, right?
Yes.
Because we don't want as much work. You put the one with less multipliers on the bottom, yeah?
Yes.
We good?